Hi, this is Jake, and I'm going to walk you through the CargoLabs product. So, if we go here to the freight portal, this is our buy side portal. So, I want to walk you through our buying journey here for our account for Kelly Slater. And so, we're going to go to the insurance sidebar menu. Right now, we're in test mode, which corresponds to Stripe test mode. And we've already pre approved this account for some products. So, all we have to do is pick which day we'd like to start coverage today, how many days we're going to purchase, our time zone for pickup, and time zone for drop off. Now we have every day of coverage we're going to be purchasing. All we have to do is pick which products we'd like to purchase for that time range. And we're going to do a physical damage product here. So we're going to put the VIN number, the year, the make, and all these fields here are customized by the insurance sell side. We're going to click we agree. And for the sake of the demo, I'm going to leave the rest of that blank. This just sent back the pricing on a per day basis. So the premium is $22.50 per day. In total for those 3 days of coverage, we're going to be paying $87.81. We're going to click Stripe Purchase, and this is going to walk us through the purchase flow for Kelly Slater. We already have a card on file here. So we're just going to click Pay. This money is now being remitted to the insurance agent who's connected and already approved Kelly Slater for purchasing. And as that payment completed, we just got a .zip file with all of our coverage information for this particular purchase. So there's the purchase time for the first day of that certificate. There's the stated value of $75,000 that we put on there, as well as the year, the VIN, and the make of that trailer or tractor that we wanted to insure. And real quick, I'm going to walk you through the sell side portal. So this is what the sellers see when they want to approve clients. They come over here to client management, and it'll load everyone here who has made a request to be approved. From there, you can then click individual clients to approve for products, either in test mode or live mode. Eventually, we're going to disable test mode. And after they're approved, you can see all of the approved products for each individual client here in this final table. And that's what's ultimately populated in this buy side widget over here. All right, well, that's a quick demo of CargoLabs platform. Thank you so much.